Uchika Onyeani, in his book The Capitalist Ninja, there's a chapter 80, White Masters, Black Slaves. So Uchika ati, blacks have conditioned themselves to be economic slaves. We lack the understanding of a business and we lack the economic history. Ati, we are attracted to our oppressors. We are fascinated by this idea of being victims. Even from 1600, we always treated them with hospitality. However, they conquered us. Despite them conquering us, we still treated them with hospitality. At we lack the intelligence to examine the ramifications of our actions. Labantu laba noma bangasenzani hlezi sibaphatha kahle. Because we are fascinated ngale idea lokuthi singama victims. Ati we accept our oppressors, simenza abe comfortable, extremely comfortable, and we give him a respect. Then we accept his disrespect, then we accept his mistreatment. Then we complain ukuthi lo muntu lo is unfair. However, yithi esimvulela umnyango, yithi esimfakile endlini, yithi esimenze comfortable, and yithi esiacceptayo i-mistreatment yakhe. So noma unfair, it's because vele indlela angayo ukuthi unfair, ukuthi thina as we don't have the intelligence ukuvuma ukuthi lo muntu lo uyilento le ayiyo, and we must accept ukuthi lo muntu lo uyilento le ayiyo and move away from him. Uchika Onyeani ati, the more us oppressor, the closer we go to our oppressors. The more we are oppressed, the closer we move towards our oppressors. Because we are fascinated by this idea of being victims. Ati today in Africa, Caucasians are treated like gods. And by Caucasians, we show Europeans, we show Russians. Even now, we must move away from America and go to Russia. Now, China, we always moving towards abanye abantu sibaphatha as ama-gods and siyafana nabo bonke labantu. You understand? However, Tina, we are fascinated or entangled ngale idea ukuthi Tina always ngama-victims. This is why singakwazi ukuthi let's move away from America and create our own thing. Njalo let's move away from these people, we have to move to the other people asikwazi ukuzicreate or asikwazi ukuzicabangela independently. We lack the intelligence to examine the ramifications of our actions. So we are treated today Africa, Caucasians are part as inkosi, as gods, and by Caucasians is not only speaking about Europeans, even Chinese, Asian, Asians, Indians, Pakistanians, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, bonke na Uchika in this book, we classify as Caucasians. Ati being seen in the company of Caucasians gives you a respect and a credibility amongst other Africans. Which if mina ukita, I have maybe abangani about Chinese or since I'm Chinese, I'm Asian. I have abangani, Asian is Chinese, obvious. I have abangani who are Chinese, or I have abangani who are Korean, or I have abangani who are from Russia, or I have white friends. Abangani bami who are black. Bazocabanga ukuthi ayischaba. Ukita is something revolutionary. Bazohlezi bafuna ukuba close to me because mina I'm in close proximity to whiteness. Even if you are not educated, even if you are not rich, even if you have nothing like a tangible for you going on in life, by merely being close to whiteness, so in a status amongst African communities.